Hi friends, today we're doing lesson 28. Get out your bows and arrows. Our learning target for today says I can add a pair of two-digit numbers with varied sums in the ones. We're going to start with an application problem. I want you to go ahead, get your boards and your markers. Pause this if you need to go get it. All right, we're going to use the RDW process to solve this problem. Anton had some crayons in his desk. His teacher gave him 2 more. When he counted all of his crayons, he had 16 crayons. How many crayons did Anton have in his desk originally? I'm going to read it to you again. And after I read it, I want you to pause and try to solve. Anton had some crayons in his desk. His teacher gave him 2 more. When he counted all of his crayons, he had 16 crayons. How many crayons did Anton have in his desk originally? All right, my friends, I want you to pause, use the RDW process to solve the problem, and when you're done, start again to check your work. Okay, friends, if you started it again, you're ready to check your work. Here we go. These are some of the solutions that you could have used. I should see this equation and make sure you have your sentence to answer the question. My sentence says Anton started with 14 crayons. That's what you got too? Good job. Which of these models did you use? Great. All right, let's get started with our lesson for the day. So, the first problem that we're looking at is 15 plus 2. So for this problem, let's use the quick draw strategy. The first thing we're going to do is draw the number 15. There we go. 1 10 and 5 ones. Then we're going to draw the 2 more ones. There they are. So now I have 1 10 and 7 ones. So that means 15 plus 2 equals 17. Great job. Let's look at our next one. 15 plus 20. For this problem, let's try using the number bond strategy. The first thing I'm going to do is look at this first number here, and I want to take the number 15 and split it into my tens and my ones. So I've taken the 110 and put it here, and I've taken the 5 ones and put it over here. Now, when I use my number bond to separate, it can show me how many tens are in a number and how many ones are in a number. So I want to add the tens from this number to the tens from this number. I'm going to add 10 plus 20. So what's 1 10 plus 2 tens? That's right, 3 tens. Now I can't forget about my 5s that I took out. So let's add those back. 30 plus 5 ones, 35. So 15 plus 20 equals 35. Great work. Let's look at our next problem. 28 plus 12. For this one, let's use the strategy where we add the tens together and the ones together. So first, I'm going to take the tens from each number. I have 2 tens in the number 28 and 1 10 in the number 12. So 2 tens plus 1 tens. What's 20 plus 10? Great, 30. Now we have to go back and look at our ones. Let's take the 8 ones from 28 and the 2 ones from 12. 8 plus 2 equals, that's right, they're best friends. 8 plus 2 equals 10. So I have my tens, which is 30, and my ones, which equaled 10. I need to put those back together to find my solution. So I have 30 plus 10. What's 3 tens plus 4, what's 3 tens plus 1 10? That's right, 4 tens, 40. That means 28 plus 12 equals 40. Great work. Now let's look at our last problem. 17 plus 16. So for this one, I want to try to use the arrow way. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw my first number, which is 17. And I draw my arrow, and I'm going to add the tens from this number. How many tens are in the number 16? Yeah, that's right, 110. So I add 110 to the number 17. So 110(7) becomes 210(7). Great job. Now I have to add another arrow and add the ones. So 27 plus 6. Let's put 27 in our head and count on. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. Did you get 33 also? Great work. Now, I've shown you a couple of different strategies today. So what I want you to do now is I want you to go to Formative, and you are going to work on your exit ticket for lesson 28. So you're going to open your Formative, you're going to do your Wednesday exit ticket. So for your exit ticket, you can use any of the strategies that we reviewed today to solve each of the problems. Make sure that you show your work and make sure that you hit submit at the end. All right, friends, have a great day.